This is Christopher. Today we are looking at how to say the word sex. But in Aymara. How do the people of Bolivian Andes Native Americans say the word sex? This is how it is written. But that's not very helpful to understand. How to say a desert unless you can read that? This is how you would spell it, phonetically in Roman characters. How do you say it? Cha-cha warmiak the pina. Cha-cha warmiak the pina. Cha-cha warmiak the pina straightforward. Once you know cha-cha warmiak the pina. And now you know more videos here, on how to say the word sex in other languages and how to pronounce more interesting, and often confusing words. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.